The Great Sneeze Adventure. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there lived a silly chicken named Chuck. Chuck loved to play outside, chasing butterflies and sniffing flowers. But Chuck had a big problem. He had the silliest sneeze in the whole wide world. One day, while Chuck was out playing, he felt a sneeze coming on. He tried to hold it in, but it was too late. Achoo! Chuck sneezed so loudly that he blew his feathers off. Chuck's feathers flew everywhere, and he found himself wearing a pair of funny, floppy sunglasses made out of leaves. The other animals in the forest couldn't help but laugh at Chuck's silly sneeze and his new leafy shades. Chuck laughed too, and from that day on he became known as the greatest sneezer in the land. Moral of the story of Chuck the Chicken teaches kids that 1. It's okay to be different. Everyone has something unique about them, and that's what makes them special.